I love this stand, but can you make a page holder for the cookbook so the pages don't flip?
What do you mean? Oh. All right, let me take a look if I can come up with something. In my last project video, I made this really nice cookbook stand for my wife, and she really likes it. But the problem is that it doesn't hold its page. So I have an idea. I'm going to try. I'm going to see if it works. I think I saw this somewhere, but I never saw any instruction on it. So I'm just going to do what I do best, and that is wing it. Let's see how well this works. I took 2 pieces of scrap poplar that I had from the folding book folder project, and I glued them together, making them basically twice as thick. Then, using my sliding T-bevel, I determined the angle of the bookcase, and then what I did was I transferred that to the blank that I just had created. Now the idea is I'm going to cut out, or actually what I'm going to do, what I did was I took a compass and I made the edges rounded. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out on the bandsaw. And so what I will do is cut this out. Hey, wait, look at this. Oh, here, it's cut out. And now I'm going to sand the sides here and the top, make it nice and smooth. I'm going to round over the 3 corners, and then I'm going to use a router and I'm going to round over the edges. I'm not going to show sanding. You've all seen that before, and it's no more fun for you than it is for me, so we'll pick up with the router table. Hey babe, look what I made.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.